In this video, I'll be bringing you to see KL Tower. Not only seeing the beautiful KL Tower at night, but also there's a special drone show tonight of emojis. This is my first time watching a drone performance. While waiting for the performance to start, we saw some drones flying. I think they must be testing it out. Finally, the performance started and you can see a swarm of drones flying out. The theme of this drone performance is Emojis World, and they will emulate all the various emojis.
Tu vois bien qu'il n'y a plus. Il a tout vu. Non, j'en ai pas d'autres. Il n'a pas trop voulu partager là. Tu peux. C'est des drones.
They should have the, the Google eyes one, the big one. I know. We need the Samsung S27. Perfect.
Tu vas glisser là. Regarde le spectacle, arrête de bouger.
He's blonde? Bald. He's bald?
Power.
time no see, bro. Hey, Shaban. How the fuck did you get up there? How did you get so tall? Hey, that's me now. Why? Hey, who's taller? Huh? No, we are also done.
Here ends the performance, and even though it wasn't very long, the show provided a captivating experience for viewers. Hope you enjoyed this drone performance.